and welcome back in your today's video. So today we are starting exercise 3.5. So for exercise 3.5 it is based on cross multiplication method. So very first the formula of cross multiplication method. So what you will do in cross multiplication method, you have two pair of linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and the second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. This you know already. So what is the coefficient of x? So what will write x upon? So hide this. The coefficient you see b1c2 minus b2c1 equals to y upon, hide this. Then after yc comes c1a2 minus c2a1 then equals to, z is not there, this is constant, so we'll write 1, hide this. Then a1b2 minus a2b1 minus a2b1. This is the formula for cross multiplication method. How to learn the formula? Write x equals to y equals to 1. Then what you write after x? You will not write the coefficient of x. B and c are left. After y, b, eliminate b, c and a are left. After c, a and b are left. The coefficients are left like this. So we'll write bc minus bc, ca minus ca, ab minus ab. Okay. Then write 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. This is the formula for cross multiplication method. Okay, x upon b1c2 minus b2c1 y upon c1a2 minus c2a1 equals to 1 upon a1b2 minus b2b1. Learn this formula by heart. That should be learned to you. Then we will start exercise 3.5. So what we'll do? The first question, first part. So what is the first question? Which of the following pairs of equation are given to you has a unique solution, no solution, or infinite many solution? If, so first you have to find how many solution it has. Okay. Then in case it has unique solution, then you have to find the solution by cross multiplication method. So only in the case of unique solution, you have to find it by the method of cross multiplication method. So we'll do first part. X minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0, and the second is 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals to 0. Very first let us see this is how many solution it has. A1 upon A2. Comparing coefficients. That means A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. We have to write in this form. A1 x plus a1y plus c equals to 0. Okay. So now minus to minus, 3 ones are 3, 3 is a 9. So 1 upon 3 equals to 1 upon 3 is not equals to 3 upon 2. So therefore A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2. This condition is of parallel lines. So therefore these are parallel lines. Therefore these have no solutions. So in this we will not find solution by cross multiplication method because it has no solution. Okay. So now let us see first question second part. So what is the first question second part? Is given to you 2x plus y equals to 5. So let me write 5 like this. 5 I will bring this side, minus 5 equals to 0 because we have to write the equation like this. Same way 3x plus 2y equals to 8. 8 I am bringing this side, it will become minus 8 equals to 0. So what are a1, a2? a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to 3. b1 equals to 1, b2 equals to 2. c1 equals to minus 5, c2 equals to minus 8. Let us see the condition. These are how many solutions? a1 upon a2. 2 upon 3, 1 upon 2, minus 5 upon minus 8. So clearly it is visible that therefore a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. So therefore the lines are intersecting. Intersecting means having unique solution. Okay. So therefore by cross multiplication method we will find the value of x and y. Cross multiplication method. These are different methods to find the value of x and y. Okay. So by this method also we'll get the value of x and y. By substitution method, if you find, the same answer will come. Okay. By elimination method, you will do the solution, same answer will come. And by multiplication method, you will do, same answer will come. Okay. So these are different methods. So what they are saying by cross multiplication method. So from here I am erasing. Okay. After this you will do, continue the work. So what is, write the formula very first. Formula is x upon BC minus BC, y upon CA minus CA, 1 upon AB minus AB. That means B1 C2, B2 C1, C1 A2, C2 A1, A1 B2, A2 B1. Okay, clear? So this is therefore x upon B1 C2, B1 C2. That means 1 into minus 8 minus B2 C1, 2 into minus 5, 2 into minus 5 equals to y upon C1 A2, C1 A2 minus 5 into 3, minus 5 into 3 minus C2 A1 minus 8 into 2, minus 8 into 2 equals to 1 upon A1 B2, 2 into 2, 4 minus A2 B1, A2 B1, 3 ones are 3. Okay. So here you will get 1 upon minus 8 plus 10. Minus 8 plus 10, what you will do? 2. Okay. Is equals to y upon minus 15 plus 8 to just 16. Minus 15 plus 16. 1 equals to 1 upon 1. So this is x. Comparing this and this, then we will compare this and this. Okay. So therefore x upon 2 is equals to 1, which shows x is equals to 2 and y upon 1 means y is equals to 1. So we have y upon 1 is equals to 1, therefore we have the two values, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. So this is the solution by cross multiplication method. Third part and fourth part you will do with yourself. Third part will come infinite many solutions, so you will not do any solution, and fourth part again will do by cross multiplication method. Okay, because fourth part is also have the unique solution. Okay, now come to question number 2. For question number 2, what is given to you? For which values of a and b? For which value of a and b does the following pair of unique solution has infinite many solution? It is given to you that it has infinite many solution. Okay, what does it mean? That is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. This is given to you. Okay, so now for what value of a and b? We have to find the value of a and b. And now what is the equation given? 2x plus 3y equals to 7, and second equation is given a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equals to 3a plus b plus minus 2. Okay, so we have to find the value of this. So very first what write a1, what is a1, what is a2, what is b1. Okay, a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to a minus b, b1 equals to 3, b2 equals to a plus b, c1 equals to 7, I am bringing this side minus 7, c2 equals to minus sign 3a plus b minus 2, because I will bring this side, so this will become this. So what we have to do? We have to find, given, we are given that condition is this, we will put the condition. Okay, so because it has infinite many solution, therefore we knows a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. Put the value of a1, 2 upon a2, a minus b equals to b1, 3, b2, a plus b, c1 minus 7. C2 minus 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, minus 2 minus cancel. So this we got. Now how to solve this? Very first we have to compare these two. Okay, the second time we have to compare these two. Okay, so I am starting with the first one. So I am erasing here. Revise the video if you want to see. So what is this? Let me erase this also. Whatever is given to you condition, you have to put that only. So we are equating these two. 2 upon a minus b is equals to 3 upon a plus b. So cross multiply. 2 times a plus 2 times b is equals to 3 times a minus 3b. Bringing one side, this I am bringing this side, 3a minus 2a. Then this also bringing on this side, minus 5b equals to 0. Okay, this is a equation number 1. Then I am equating these two. Again, 3 upon a plus b is equals to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, now solve these two. If we'll solve, so what we'll get? Cross multiply. So this way. 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 9a plus 3b minus 3 2s are 6 equals to 7a plus 7b. So bring all the terms this side and 6 that side. 9a minus 7a, 2a, 3b minus 7b. So minus 4b equals to plus 6. This is equation number, and this I can solve more. I can divide it by 2. So a minus 2b equals to 2 3s are 6. Let me say it is equation number. Write equation a minus 5b equals to 0 and a minus 2b equals to 3. So what we'll have? Minus plus minus. Cancel out minus plus minus. 3b minus equals to minus 3, which shows b is equals to plus 1. Substituting the value in any one of the equation, let me substitute this value in equation 1 only. So substituting value of b in equation 1. So what we'll get? A minus 5b is equals to 0. Let b is equals to 1. So a minus 5 equals to 0, which shows a equals to 5. So therefore we got a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 1. Okay, so we have the two values of a and b. This only the question, find the value of a and b. Okay, so we got the value of a and b. We cannot solve it by cross multiplication method because we are not given the variable here x and y. Okay, so we have done question number 2. Let us do question number 2, second part. So the question number 2, second part is same condition for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution. We have to find the value of k and it is given that it has no solution. So k we have to find for no solution. Okay, so what is the equation given to us? Let us write the equation. 3x plus y equals to 1 and 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1 into y equals to 2k plus 1. Okay. So we will write a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Okay. So this is so what is a1? 3. a2, 2k minus 1. b1, 1. b2 equals to k minus 1. c1 minus 1. c2 we are bringing this side, we are bringing this side. Minus time 2k plus 1. Okay. So these are our coefficient. Condition is given to us. So we don't have to solve it by any of the method because condition is given. Same in the first case also. No solution means for no solution. No solution means क्या होता है? The lines are parallel. Okay. a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. What is a1? 3 upon a2 2k minus 1 equals to b1 1 upon b2 k minus 1 is not equals to c1 minus 1 upon minus minus cancel out 2k plus 1. So these two are equal, but these and these are not equal, these and these are not equal. So we have to take these two. Okay, so cross multiply. So we'll take 3 upon 2k minus 1 equals to 1 upon k minus 1. So cross multiplying, so we will cross multiply, and what the value we will get, we'll see 3k minus 3 equals to 2k minus 1. Cross multiplying, we will get this 2k, I'll bring this side, constant I'll bring this side, 3k minus 2k is equals to minus 1 plus 3k equals to 2. So we got the value of k equals to 2. Okay, this is the second question, second part. So the third question, from third question we will do in next video. Thank you very much. This is enough for this video. We'll do in next video.